Experience driving perfection in the 2019 Ford F-150. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.